Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you the secret menu in the Windows Update. So a lot of times when you get your Windows Update, it's going to show in the settings here. It's going to show you all your Windows updates. Make sure you check for Windows updates here and check for there, and make sure you get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Make sure that's check on. You know, um, so while you have this here, it's going to check your main updates and things like that. But another area is where you have optional updates. Okay, so you're going to click Advanced Options, and then you're going to go to Optional Updates. And from here, they're going to show you updates that you normally typically don't get from the Windows Update section. So, but the thing with that is, though, you also have to enable it into the advanced option. So, receive updates from other Microsoft products. So, get updates from other apps and services together with Windows updates. So, that means any outside other applications that it strings from. It also pulls into the Windows update settings here to the optional updates. So, definitely have that and make sure you check that as well. And yeah, if you have any other questions, let's get it, let's go, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace.